I made a one circuit for short circuit proof. Anything like the chargers and power supplies, power supplies, black bunch power supplies is used as a short circuit proof equipment, which means there's a use of electronic stuff. There is also protected by short circuit when any people can short a probe, never damage anything. But I have used a normal adapter, you can see in my previous videos, so there is not any type of short circuit protection. I made the short circuit protection 35 volt to 12 volts running. Next I connect one wire, always connected, one wire is connected. Now I am used copper wire, not wire, any wire. Now I can put it reset. It's a reset switch. I can put this switch first active. We can see LEDs change and meter showing voltage. Meter acts like a load. For example, I short this probe, automatically get off. Now if I can put this switch again to active this circuit. This is a short circuit proof circuit with 12 volt to 6 volt source. For this my relay maximum voltage. If you use highest voltage, you can highest voltage relay and resistor. How it works first mechanism. Positive going to toil. There's an input and output positive. It's common. Positive battery positive to toil. Battery negative to switch. Switch is also to toil. When I push the switch, voltage rise to toil. This is the NO point. NC point, I mean normal close point, it is a normal open point. When switch is relays off position, switch goes up, this LED is working, run. So this LED take a positive with 300 ohms resistors and negative take this wire with this common point to and C point. When toil is active, this probes to this switch door to NO point with normal open point. This voltage flow to this point out and this always flow to there, which means this switch relays goes down, this switch goes down and this voltage will be automatically toil collapse voltage. So after this turn off automatically, it is a push switch, not a normal switch. Switch is active and loose, it turn off, not an on off switch. When short the probe, this toil is collapsed, voltage is closed, this switch is come to normal closed position and this circuit is turned off. And after push this circuit switch again to collapse the voltage, charge the toil automatically to first charge the switch. After it tempted this voltage flow this point to light there and there to up positive, which means positive light there, toil one side and negative flow to normal open and toil one normal open and toil side. Toil side we push first button and the circuit. Now this thing is not meaning this is heavy load thing, which means it is. I will demonstrate the to that multimeter, you can that LED and other appliances 12 volt light up. I turn not I lots of items which 1 to 2 ampere load connected. This short circuit I can this automatically closed. Wire closing again. I think my this wire is not fully isolated, so this problem wire can move wrong positions. I think push this wire are not fully isolated, so that's why I put my finger on the probe and other finger removed and can quickly disconnect it. Meter shows 6 volt. That's why battery is down this circuit and take a few milliamperes. This is not, if this circuit has directly battery without any switch, this circuit not consume battery at full time. Now take a charger and we try this thing is same for charger. Keep in mind this is a common positive with a power supply positive right here and negative positive right other multimeter positive light there, light or low positive. Common power supply negative to middle common point and low negative to light there. There's a copper wire, it is a fully isolated, not a non-isolated. So it is main wire not isolated this type. Short circuit output of this circuit can close. If that circuit made inside of this circuit light a charger probe can tilt directly to charger. So that's why it needs fully isolated wire, and this circuit cannot prove short proof, which means this can ATH if you can other type of source not isolated with main power like PSUs like computer ATH power supply cannot connect this thing if it connected but don't touch any terminal. So this is short circuit proof, not a short proof. Now this same thing try with charger. Pause once. Now I connect a charger first. This is active. Charger is 12 volts, but that's time a little bit light is dim, so that's why it's showing 12 volts. When I shut up probe and automatically cut off. Same thing. But remember, never short these two probes. There's always damage power supply. This is the main wires. I will use copper wire, but I'm not recommending copper wire is best thing to use. You can use other normal wires, insulated wires. So this wire is not insulated and not powerful. May any sparks create, and each create wire insulation will melt, and that's why short anything else. Keep it in mind. This wire is not best for this project. If project make anything you want, like tools and any project you need to make. It's a very easy project. You can make easily. We can try them once more. When I take shot. Okay, I take a bulb for testing mode. How much can carry this it? I can place this 12 volt 10 watt LED light. It is highly active. You can see it easily run high voltage lamp, which means this is use 2 ampere to 3 ampere load easily pit out. If you can connect more power light 10 above to 10 ampere, that's tilt anything. And this video will be end with our next project.